Okay, good evening student. Today we are going to start the 5th unit poem Everest is not the only peak. It was written by Kulothurman. Before going to the poem lines, just see the author introduction. Professor V.C. Kulandaiswamy 1929-2006, known as Kulothungan, is an eminent technologist, a man of letters and an educationist known for his pioneering contribution in hydrology, literature, and education. Actually, Kulandai Swami is one of the professor. The full name is the V.C. Kulandai Swami. He was born in 1929 and died in 2016. He's also known called as Klothungan. Is the popularly written every poems and stories lessons. The full name they won't introduce the name Kulandai Sami. Just is known as the Klothungan. He is one of the famous technologists. A man of letters is nothing. Is one of the writer and also educationist known for his pioneering contribution. Pioneering contribution is nothing. Even though he wrote so many writers, he writing so many things, and also famous for the technologies. He is his full interest for the contribution in the hydrology and literature and education. He has authored 6 volumes of poems and 7 of prose essays, which earned him the Thiruvalluvar Award from the government of Tamil Nadu in 1999. And also Klothungan wrote 6 volumes of poems, not 6 poems. He wrote 6 volumes of poem and also 7 prose essays. This earned him the Thiruvalluvar Award, given by the Tamil Nadu government in 1999. He won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1988 for his book Valum Valluvam. So he got the Sahitya Academy, the famous book of Valum Valluvam. It was given to him for 1988. His works deal with the themes that reflect the gamut of human progress and the whole pervasive human effort. And also his works, it means his works, the main theme is the development of human progress and also the extensive of human effort. Even though he writes poems and prose and stories, everything he involved, he given important to the human development only. Here also the poem, the Everest is not the only peak. Also, he given the important to the human beings. Just see what they are going to given. We are proud and feel so tall. Our virtues, though, be few and small. Our nature it is that whatever we try, we do with devotion, deep and true. Virtues is nothing, it is a good behavior. Okay, see. In the first stanza, the author told that we feel proud even though our good qualities were few or small. We want to be feel proud and tall and do your work with deep devotion and truly. The work may be whatever it is because it is our nature to do your work with loyal. So here the author used we and our. Actually, the author given we and our. It refers to everyone. He is not only told himself. He told everyone, everyone in the world, like human beings. Okay, see the second stanza. Defeat we repel, courage our foe, clinging from others we haven't done. To seek a gain we adore none. We are proud and feel so tall. Adore is nothing, it is a worship to someone. Then repel is nothing, hate. Okay, from this stanza, always we hate the defeat. Defeat is nothing, the opposite of success. Because strength is our food. So no one is not a slave to others. To search a profit, to worship to someone. Always we want to be proud and feel tall. We damn it our duty and mission in life to bless and praise the deserving ones. Never shall we fail in what we commit. shall nourish the ones that nourish the world. Okay, here we want to praise a good person. It means a knowledgeable person. This is our duty and also our aim. We should not fail those who are developing the world and helping to grow the someone. And we are not fail in any situation. We what we promise to do, our duty, it is our nature, like that given in the third stanza. Okay, see the fourth one. We are proud of the position we hold, humble as we are. Our pride springs from the way we live. Ours is a path of dignity and honor, a life that knows no kneeling and bending. We are proud and feel so tall. So whatever we are in, we want to be proud the position, and we must be humble in that position. Position is nothing, whatever you are doing in your work, that position humble is nothing, is the respect. Actually, if you are, if your path must be followed by dignity and honor, the pride may automatically come to you. It means good name. We are not a slaves to anyone. So in our life we don't bending and kneeling to everyone. We must always feel proud and feel tall. So kneeling is nothing, just we are going to be slaves to another person. Bending is nothing, just in Tamil we say in Talai Vanangudal. Okay, see the next stanza. Everest is not the only peak. Every hillock has a summit to boast. The height you reach is not that we care. He who does not stoop is a king we adore. Adore is nothing, to praise. Okay. Don't feel Everest is not only a peak. Every hills had a peak to climb. And don't consider how much height we reach. We should not be slaves to anyone. While you are leading your life, then only you want to prize as a king without any kneeling and bending. Okay, see next. We bow before competence and merit. The ones that are true and stand on their own are really the ladder for the rise of man. Okay, so we should not stoop to anyone. Stoop is nothing, to bend to anyone. We give respect to the work with the ability to do with good, and we want to give respect those who are truly develop your life like a ladder. We want to true to them, then only your future will be bright. Then honor is a property common to all. In dignity and pride, no one need to be poor. We are proud and feel so tall. Honor is honor is property, it is common to all. And dignity and pride, no one need to be poor or rich, it is common to all. So we must feel proud and be tall. Okay student, I think you understood the poem. Everest is not the only peak.